Oh no, how do I reduce my belly fat?
Oh God, please help me with my bulging tummy. I can't resist this. If you're gaining weight from house arrest and asking for the solution, then this video is just for you. I'm gonna tell you 10 tips to fight obesity and feel the difference within a month. So, watch it till the end without skipping the video.
Yeah.
Let's start without further ado. According to experts, less movement, no exercise, and overeating are the main causes to accumulate fats. Eating more means accumulating more calories. If you keep on eating, you will not burn those calories. As a result, the body will have a level of accumulated fats, and obesity is bound to come from that. Obesity has bad impact on your outlook and first impression. Wherever you go, these things are absolutely necessary to grow your attitude and confidence, which becomes low due to obesity. Thus, obesity is affecting us both physically and mentally. So, let's fight the obesity using the following tips. Tip number 1: drink plenty of water before eating. Drink at least 3 liters of water a day. It has got two benefits. Number 1, it will reduce your appetite. Secondly, the body will increase its metabolic rate to increase the temperature if you drink more cold water. Tip number 2, according to the experts, reduce the size of your plate to lose weight. Eating more means accumulating more calories, and if you don't burn those calories, obesity is bound to come from that. So, your food bowls are responsible for your increased weight. So, use small plates to limit the amount of your food intake. As experts emphasize on moderate diet, not too little, not too much. Tip number 3: eat slowly, chew properly with concentration for proper digestion to lose weight. A meal should take at least 20 to 25 minutes to complete. Tip number 4: use cinnamon in food. According to a nutrition study, if breads, cereals, and other starchy foods are given a small amount of cinnamon, we don't feel hungry for a long period of time. Tip 5: eat whole fruit instead of juice. Experts believe that whole fruits are more beneficial than fruit juice packs mixed with sugar. It reduces the calorie intake and does not increase unnecessary weight. Tip 6: eat protein rich foods like lean meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. If you are a vegetarian, you should have broccoli in your diet as it is relatively high in protein. You can also try out spinach, soya beans, nuts and seeds, and milk as protein substitute. Tip 7: do not starve to lose weight because doing so you could harm your own health. Instead, you should eat after a while to prevent you from unnecessary hunger. That will help you to control your weight. Tip 8: maintain a balanced nutrition or balanced diet. You should pay attention to what you eat and how much you eat. The plate should contain all the nutrients in proper proportion. This way, your body will get the nutrients and vitamins required for the proper body function. And try to finish your dinner at least 2 hours before going to bed because that will help you in proper digestion of the food. There is no alternative to sleep. So, tip number 9: sleep at least 6 to 8 hours at night. If someone sleeps less than the regular time, it will affect adversely in the metabolic rate and increase the chances of obesity. Finally, tip number 10: high intensity workout, another easy way to reduce the fat as it increases the metabolic rate. So, no matter how little time you have on hand, do at least 30 to 40 minutes of cardio and weight training every day as a rule. In addition to shedding excess fats, this workout increases BMR quickly. Now let's see some exercises to increase your metabolic rate. You can do 2 cardio exercises like jogging for 30 minutes and jumping jack for 10 minutes regularly to warm up your body. And to reduce your belly fats, you could try the following exercises. Number 1, sit-ups. 2 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 2, plank for 1 set of 60 seconds. It is the most important exercise to increase your resting metabolism and promote weight loss. It burns approximately 2 to 5 calories per minute. Number 3. Side plank is also a good exercise. You can do it for one set of 60 seconds. Number 4. Bicycle crunch. You can do it for 2 sets of 30 seconds each. It helps to target rectus, abdominis and oblique muscles at the same time. 20 crunches a minute burns approximately 3 calories. Now let's summarize the tips to follow. Drink plenty of water before eating. Reduce the size of your plate. Eat slowly and with concentration. Eat more protein rich foods. Eat whole fruits instead of juice. Use cinnamon in the food to reduce hunger. Do not starve to lose weight. Maintain a balanced diet. Sleep at least 6 to 8 hours at night. And lastly, do regular intense workout. If you follow these tips regularly, it's quite sure that you will start feeling the difference within a month. Remember that health is wealth and we should do our best to keep us fit. At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful or motivating even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. You can also leave your valuable comments about the topic of the next video you would like to watch, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.